have you lived here?
This will be 12 years in July. I have learned to fall in love with it. I mean, it has its limitations.
All right, now, I've done a valuation on your house. And the current value as it stands is $355,000.
That's about right.
That's about right.
Which one of you wants to move?
That would be me.
All right, then. Now, what is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
Mostly a one-story home
Okay.
because of Garrett's accessibility issues.
Right.
We do need a universal design for accessibility. We need wider doorways,
Okay.
a bathroom that is very safe for Garrett, that doesn't have a ledge or a step for him to get into the shower,
Right.
and a ramp on the at least 2 entrances.
Okay.
A renovated kitchen,
Okay.
a large master bath. We need 4 bedrooms, an office for Garrett, and a space for myself.
Are we done?
I think that about covers it, yes.
So if it has a master bedroom on the main floor and the kids' bedrooms are upstairs, is that okay?
If we had some way of getting him up those stairs, a chairlift or an elevator, then I'd be okay with that.
All right. I will
But
see what I
that-
can do.
but
I'm
that-
just letting you know what the difficulty is going to be in finding that. That's all.
And I appreciate that.
What is the budget for the new house?
Our budget for a new home is $475,000.
All right. It's going to be a challenge, but I'm up for it.
It is a challenge for you, and it's a challenge for me as well. But why don't you tell me your must-have list?
This is going to be a real easy list for you, is that I really don't have one. What we need to have happen is make this house accessible to me, more accessible. You know, knowing what things cost, and especially when it's medical, they're astronomical. So I don't think that it can be done for the budget that we have.
I understand the safety, and I know about universal design. But what I need to know is the budget.
For this project, we can give $140,000.
Really?
Yeah.
With $140,000, I believe that I can turn this into a house that will be safe and that will work for you on all levels. And honestly, I think that you, not just Tammy, but you, Garrett, will love it.
I wish you luck.
I don't doubt that Hilary can turn this into a space that's going to work for you. However, I think it's the additional things that you guys have said you need. I don't think that's doable here without a big addition. And I don't think you're getting that for $140,000. So I think the house I'm going to find you is going to deliver everything. And the only thing you're going to be saying about this charming house that I'm going to sell to somebody else is list it.
Well, we shall see, obviously. All right, so first things first, this house is not going to remain lime green. We're going to completely paint the entire exterior, okay?
Super.
This is where I'm planning on giving them a master. So what I'm thinking is a master bathroom is going to take up most of this wall.
Okay.
We have to have a tub, we have to have a double vanity, and we have to have a very accessible shower that Garrett can easily get in and out of.
Okay.
With this now being a wall, there will be room to have a couple of windows. I can put a closet on this wall, and as much storage as we possibly can get. This is the biggest part of the whole reno.
We're eating through this $140,000 really quick.
You're just a squasher of dreams.
I'm a bringer of reality.
Yes, you are. Okay, I know. Keep going. Next is the living room. This wall's going to be down, and this space now integrated into the main living room.
This is gonna open it up quite a bit.
So this is giving us all the function that we need for Garrett so far.
I like
So I
that.
think that's a big deal.
Is that everything?
Well, there's a ramp that has to come from the driveway into the front door.
That's gonna be a long ramp.
I've never built a ramp in my life.
What do you think of the house?
Still looks like we're gonna have some entrance accessibility issues.
You're going to have entrance accessibility issues everywhere.
Let's go take a look at the house.
Okay.
So, what do you think?
Stairs, David.
Chairlift going up.
Okay.
Yeah, you could put a chairlift in here.
I can see that. I'll ease up. Why don't you show us the rest of the house?
Well, let's start right here.
Okay. There really aren't any thresholds to overcome
that's
once you
nice.
get past the front door.
No. Let's have a look at the main area.
All right.
I like the eat-in kitchen.
Wow, that is kind of nice.
The islands. You got a big
Yeah.
lip there, so easy to get your wheelchair in.
So I can just drive right up to it.
Beautiful kitchen, great family room, and master bedroom is right through that door right there. There's one thing more we have to deal with while we're down here. Your office space.
I don't see one.
What, this?
So,
This is a really nice house, but that's not going to work.
I thought you were gonna say that.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go have a look at the master, and then we'll take it from there. All right, come on in.
It's nice.
It's nice.
You've got double walk-in closets. Yours is bigger, unless you want to give that to Garrett.
No, of course
Oh,
not.
you know what? I have an idea. That could be your office.
Huh. I'm the only one that gets to be sarcastic, okay?
Okay.
It's his thing.
Let's go see the bathroom. This doorway's even tighter than the master, so I don't suspect you're gonna make it in. So you've got a nice big bathroom, lots of space to kind of maneuver around once we can get you through those doorways. You've got a good-sized shower, although it's not seamless. You're gonna have to do it. I mean, I've been through a lot of homes.
Maybe we should be looking for houses which doesn't have as nice a bathroom, because we're gonna have to tear the whole thing up.
Work begins on the exterior of Tammy and Garrett's house as progress is made on the front ramp.
Private from the road, so let's
Right.
figure out the optimal height for that fence.
Okay, so I'll measure that up so that's just above everything.
Exactly.
Inside the house, non-slip epoxy flooring goes down in the bathroom, followed by tile. White cabinetry, closets, and countertops are installed. Meanwhile, Hilary and design assistant Jenny discuss the advantages of new ergonomic door handles.
He's having trouble with the knobs. You only have to turn it to 28 degrees to open it, so that's the ADA.
I like this, and they look great.
And Hilary gets the ball rolling on a new Tammy port with Chris.
You remember how Tammy really wanted an outdoor space?
Yeah.
And they kicked in some extra money? So now we can work on giving her a little cool space to hang out
Super.
exactly where she wants to be.
Will that money cover the cost of the beam overage as well?
Yeah, I'm in under budget.
Good, good.
Doesn't it seem nice and big now? I love it. It's a game changer.
While Hilary's hopes are high, David believes he's back on the right path.
All right, so here we are.
I think you've listened.
I think so. And I think it really delivers everything you guys need.
Yeah, let's take a look.
So, and you come in and you're...
Beautiful.
I know it's beautiful. Look at it.
No, this is really cool. This is a nice little feature. It's a little quirky, and I like that.
I have to say, I'm getting nervous. I really thought Hilary had this one in the bag after the last houses that we'd seen.
Listen, so did I. I'm in the same position as you.
I mean, it's just one room in. Let's see the rest of the house.
I know. Let's keep going. Your dining room. Good wide doorways.
This is nice.
Wow.
All right, so let's just do a little turn around and have a look at what's going on in here.
It's not, I mean, it's definitely an upgrade from our kitchen. I'm not crazy about the color palette, but that's easy to change.
Yeah. If that's all you're concerned with is the color, I mean, that's no big deal.
I get it.
I love the open space, and I love the fact that there's not things to run into everywhere.
Exactly. What do you think of this?
This is a nice space.
I'll take one for the team. I'll go ahead and take this space.
No, I figured that you'd want this one because you could get out to the deck easily.
I love how excited you are. I haven't seen this excitement.
You haven't given me this.
Okay, that's a fair point. Okay, let's head to the bedroom area. Bedroom number 1.
Nice sized bedroom.
All right, so this is likely going to be Hannah's bedroom.
Right.
But she's going to have access to this.
Her own bathroom?
Your other child is going to have to use his bathroom, but she's going to have direct access to it from here.
I'd like to see the bathroom.
There you go.
Hi, Garrett.
Hey, how's it going?
But it's a nice bathroom. I mean, it's been fully updated, as you can see. Sarah's bedroom is right next door. It's a good-sized bedroom.
Looks great.
Master bedroom right this way.
It's big.
Oh, wow.
So, check this out. Hey, look.
It would be nice if he and I had a little sitting area here.
There you go.
That was just ours.
You have options. The master bath.
Hey.
There is a little bit
There's
of a
a
lip,
lip.
so you're gonna have to just do a little bit of a lift.
This is nice.
Obviously, you're gonna
We'll
have to do some
have
work
to
to the
tackle
shower.
that.
But that's gonna be with any house you look at. All right. It's basement time. This is the way we are going to the basement. Just keep going down there,
Okay.
and you're gonna come around the left part, and then you're gonna go right inside the house. So this can be whatever you want.
It would totally finish this off. And also, you could put an elevator in here. Unless
this
you already
way.
have an elevator, David.
I wish.
Okay, all right.
The last spot.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. Your kids would love to create something down here. This kind of gives you a visual of the potential out there.
I mean, I'm not really thrilled about doing more projects, but you know, where we have upstairs is already good to go.
The house itself, I can actually visualize us being in, which is something I didn't think I would be saying to you.
Yes. What do you think this house is listed at?
This has got to be a $700,000 house.
I'm going to be optimistic and say $550,000.
This house is listed at $548,900.
David, you're killing me.
I know.
Wow.
So even if you have to put a little money into it, you've got it.
I'm close to tears, honestly. It's a position I didn't expect to be in.
Tammy and Garrett are excited to see their newly renovated home, and the exterior has already won Tammy over.
I always wanted a place in the front of the house, and it's so beautiful.
Very good. And how do you feel about the color, your lime green?
Well, I think I like the color quite a bit.
It's great.
Excellent. You were so concerned with the fact that your house should not actually show a ramp.
Very
I
nice.
feel that we've solved this.
I like it.
Are you ready to see what's behind the fence?
I'm ready.
Absolutely. Oh, this is really way above my expectations.
Wow. Tammy, this is for you and your girlfriends.
This is really stunning.
And occasionally, Garrett, when you allow.
When he's allowed.
When I'm allowed. Yeah.
I just have always wanted a front porch, and I didn't think this house would lend itself to it, but it does. It's wonderful. I can't wait for my girlfriends to see it.